So how? Yep. So right. How do we obtain Octave? So you can obtain. I think so. This is for you guys. If you miss your first year course, yeah, first year Octave course. Yep. So how do you obtain Octave? Yep. So if you head on over to Google, so I better. Yep. So better let me. Yeah. So let me screen up. So yeah, but yep. So this is yeah. I don't know what will Google. Yep. So yeah, welcome. Yeah. So just type Octave. Yeah, Octave download. Yep. So download. You can download. So this is the official website. So you can download from here. Here you can straight away download. Yep. So this is the official website. Yeah, you can download from here. So if check first of all, you have to check your operating system whether you use Windows user or Mac user. Yep, so you can download that if you are a Windows user and check the yeah check yeah so yeah 50 whether it is 54 yeah 64-bit or 32-bit. Yeah, check that one and then download the relevant file and install very easy. All right, then you will get a yeah this window here. So if you yeah so this is so if you download and install Octave package on your machine. Yep. So here we go. So this is the shortcut, but yeah, this is the shortcut. So this is my shortcut. So yeah, so you can open this yeah, so double by so if you go to program files, yeah, you can find the Octave. Yeah, you can open this Octave package. So you get this right. So here you basically I'm recording this. Let me so reduce the size of this. Otherwise, the file size will be large, right? Okay, so here, so this is when you open your package, Octave package. So here you will see basically, yeah, so 3 windows. So this is the main window, which is called yeah command window, right? This is command window. You type everything here. So 1 plus 2, yeah. So 3 and so if you want to remove this garbage, yep. So this written, yeah, you can do that by typing CLC. Yeah. So this is a clear window now. Yeah. So I have a clear command window, and here look at this. Here, if you want to change your directory, yeah, so you can change your directory from here, right? So I change this to, so if you have M file, I think you are in second year, some of you have known Octave, yep, so Octave language, yeah, so I will, so it's, yeah, yep, so I will change this. So my M files are in here, I can see here. So in that directory, yeah, in that folder, I have M files here. So if I double click one of these M files, yep, so one of these M files so I can open those M files. Yeah, so this is the, so this shows the files, M files in your directory, in your folder, right? And here there's another window. So let me go jump back to the command window. Yeah, yeah, very nice, very clean window, command window, right? Okay, so this is the M files. This shows M files in your directory. Yep. Yep. Right. And this window is called the workspace. Right. So if you if you do any calculation, so that records in this workspace here. So here, so ans is a variable name. So ans is assigned with this value, this operation a1 plus 3 4. So the class of this so this number is so you can see all information here, double and dimension of this this number, and this variable, dimension of this variable, and value is 4, and all information here. So you can see everything here, dimension, value, and attribute. Yep. So, and this is the history. Yep. So it records everything here. So this is the history. Can get anything. Yeah. So this is the history. Yeah. Yeah. So here we go. Okay. So mainly we have how many windows? One, two. I think it seems like I had to conduct this class during entire 4 hours. Let's go slowly because today is the first day. Some of you haven't done the first year course. So they have to install in their PC, install and open. So open your package, Octave package, right? Okay, so all right. So let me open my PDF. So you can download this slide. So this is the first slide. So lecture slide, right? Can download from LMS. I uploaded this to LMS, right? You can obtain this file. Okay, what is this Octave? We have Octave. Yep, so it is a mathematical package. It is, we know that it is an open software. You don't have to pay money to obtain this use this package, right? So it is like if you have done programming languages such as C++, Java, C, Fortran. So Octave is similar with that, right? Similar to that, those programming languages, and I think some of you have learned Octave before. So here, this is called the command window. You can do calculation in this window, right? So let's say if you want to define a variable name A, right? A is my variable. So then I want to assign a value to this variable named A. Let's assign a value. Yep. So A is a variable. So now your variable becomes a constant, because if you specify the value, after specifying this value, that variable becomes a constant. Yeah. So look at this. So A is assigned and this value here 2, right? And if you want to find more about this variable, here look at, so this is the variable name A, and the class of that variable is double, and the dimension is 1 by 1, and value is 2. Yep, so I can define another variable. Let's so like this, you can define any variables as you want, right? So you can do operations right? Know that. Yeah. What is the value of A? A is 2 and B is 4. Yeah, when you add these together, yeah, you can do operation or multiply. Yep, so anything you can do, right? So this is for you. Yep, so this is for you. I think some of you are getting messages. Yep, some of you haven't done the first year course. Yep, so very easy, right? Don't worry. Yep, so you will learn these things down the road. Don't worry, right? So try to download this package and install on your PC and open that, and you can do this. You can do these operations, these, yeah, so these things syntax with me, right? Okay, so like that you can define variables as everything is recorded here. So in this workspace here, so there are how many variables? One, A, B, A, and so B and S, everything. So if you, so the class, what is the class? Yeah, class is double, so you can, yeah, so it could be integer. So here double is I don't know the, yeah, so double, it is double, right? Belongs to double, class double. So so you can define any decimal, let's say, so yeah, so this class is double, right? So you can change the class, or you can, if you introduce, I think you are the expert, you, so you know these things, right? Better than me. I don't know much about these things. Yep, so like this, let's say I will introduce a string, something like this. So like that, yeah, you can, now look at the class. So the class changes to character. And if you put double quotation, then you can introduce a string. So, mm, yeah. So here, look at, yeah. So like, no double quote, yeah, double quotation, no single quotation, yeah. So like that you can. So this belongs to, yeah, class of character char. So these numbers belong to, yeah, double. Don't worry about. So if you want more detail, yeah, so you have to refer to a book, right? So I don't know much about those things. I am a little bit able to, yep, so do a little bit calculations. Okay. Yeah, I can handle a little bit calculations. Yeah, if you know more about, yeah, double and these classes, yeah, you can refer to, yeah. So just or you can, if you want to learn about, yeah, anything, yeah, you can, yeah, type help. Then you can get information. Yeah, so you can read out, right? All right. So okay, let's clear the screen. Okay, clear the screen. I will. Yep. So let's go to the, okay, scripts. I think in your first year, I think you have. Yep. So you have written many scripts, right? So very easy to. Yep. So write a script. Then you don't need. So yeah. So this is command prompt. And if you go to this one here, editor, I will press this tab. Yeah, so if you open a new script here, new script, so then you can write everything here. So if you have for loops, you can include this script and you can save that script, right? So you will learn down the road, I think. Yep. So you can define these. You can initialize these variables, and you can. Yep. So here you have a set of expressions. So in command window, you can execute only one expression. For instance, a equals. No, you can execute only this one by one, this line only. But in the script, you can execute a bunch of lines here. So if you have these number of lines, you can execute everything at yeah, so by clicking this this button here, you can compile this script. So here in command window, we are allowed to execute. I think you can only execute one line. Yep. So that's the difference between command window and scripts. So you can include many expressions, many mathematical expressions inside this file. Then you can save this file. When you save that file, save this file, save save file. When you save this file, yeah. So put a name, put a name with this extension m.temp. Right, you know these things. Okay. Right. So scripts. Yeah, you can give any name, right? You can open any script in your command from the command window. Yep. So let's give it a try. Yeah. So just follow this. Yep. Edit. Yep. You can open. So just yep. So I don't. Yep. So take step, and you can comment in your script here. So I added comments. So that is necessary. So if you have these comments, then when you look at this code later, then very easy to understand. Right? If you add comments, then when you look at this code later, then very easy to follow the code. Yeah. So that is a good practice. Try to so put comments in your scripts. Then it is a good practice, right? Yeah. So types of variables. Yeah, there are different types of variables. Yep. So just go through these nodes, right? This node, right? So I will. Otherwise, I don't have. So it's almost 10 minutes past 9 o'clock. Yep. So variable names. So as I said before, you can you can define variables as you wish. Yep. So let's say I have variable 1. So I will assign a value is so like this, right? If you press up your arrow key, you can get the previous statement, or again you can get the expression. You can get these expressions if you press arrow keys, right? So if you put the semicolon at the end, you can suppress the output here. So I don't want to repeat the output. So if you want to suppress the output, then you have to add a semicolon at the end. Yep. Right. So those are the simple stuff. Yep. And there are inbuilt variables in Octave. So don't use these. So these are built-in variables. Yeah, these are already defined variables in Octave. Don't put these names for your variable, right? Pi and e. So this is a built-in function. Yeah, variables and what else? Ands. Don't use these names for your when you name the variable, right? Don't use these. Yeah, these names. Yeah. So I is already defined. Yeah, it's already defined. Yeah. So don't use these. And scalar, as I said before, you can define scalars. Yeah. So and this one is very important. Yeah. Was right. So arrays and matrices. So let's play with these things, right? Vectors and matrices. These are very important because in your first project, so you have to find solution to a system of linear equation. First of all, you write that system in matrix form, then you deal with matrices, right? So you better learn matrices, using Octave package. Yeah, so very important. Yeah, so let's play with matrices. Okay, so let me clear this window by typing CLC. Yep. Clear the window. I will define a matrix called A. Yeah, right. So when you define a matrix, always start with a square bracket, open a square bracket. And this is my first row. Yeah, just separate two elements by hitting the space bar. Then, or you can put commas. I don't like to put commas. I like to space bar. Right. So and in the first, so I have finished. So these are the elements in my first row. So then I have to break the first row. To break the first row, I have to put the semicolon, right? Then I start the second row. Okay, this is my second row. Right, the second row. Let's